Hello there, welcome back to Weto tutorials. And now let's check out the chamfer command, how you can use it and what you can use it for. Let's click on it and select your 3D element. Now, as you can see up here, here's a define distance option, which you can use like this. You will need two 3D guidelines. Let's put it somewhere here and here, 50 centimeters from each ends. And now that we have two guidelines, now I can select my element and define a distance between these two guidelines. Okay, and now I have defined a 100 centimeter long chamfer. I want to make it a little bit deeper, and if I want to, I can always select only two ends or one single side or multiple sides. You can set it as you wish. Let's make it a little bit even larger, maybe 10 centimeters. And now I have this shape. I click OK, and I want to put another cut on my element. I can do it by checking this box as another chamfer, and now I can do it all again, but with different parameters. I want this to go all the way through my 200 centimeter long element and maybe 5 centimeter depth. That's right, and that's about it. Okay, and now I have this unique shape, and that's about how you can use and what you can use this chamfer for.